National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Olmsted County in southeastern Minnesota,
Again.
North Fillmore County in southeastern
Wow.
Minnesota until 10:30 p.m. At 9:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Chatfield, or 15 miles southeast of Rochester, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Chatfield around 9:55 p.m. Wyckoff around 10:25 p.m. Preston and Fountain around 10:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include County Roads 2 and 38, Forestville State Park, Carmona, Fillmore, County Roads 2 and 101, Cummingsville and Washington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Fillmore, and Olmsted. This is no weather.
Wow. Again.